The relic of this miracle is kept in the Church of the Most Holy Body of Christ in Valvasone, but the miracle happened in GRUARO. In 1294, a young housemaid went to the Miara River to wash the altar linens of the Church of St. Giusto in GRUARO. Suddenly, the woman noticed that the altar linen had become tinged with blood. A consecrated host had remained by mistake among the folds of the cloth, and that blood was flowing from the host. Frightened by this inexplicable event, she immediately ran to alert the pastor, who then informed the Bishop of Concordia, Giacomo di Ottanello. The bishop, having learned the facts, asked to be able to keep the cloth of the miracle in his cathedral in Concordia. However, the pastor of GRUARO and the family of the Counts of Valvasone, patrons of the Church of GRUARO and Valvasone, wanted to keep the cloth. No agreement was reached, and so it was decided to seek recourse of the Holy See, which is the Vatican. In the end, Rome let the Counts keep the relic on the condition that they would build a church dedicated to the Most Holy Body of Christ. The construction of the church was completed in 1483, 189 years after the miracle. The oldest and most authoritative document describing the miracle is a decree of Pope Nicholas V, written in 1454. The title of the parish church, formerly St. Mary and St. John the Evangelist, was thereby changed to the Church of the Most Holy Body of Christ on March 28, 1454. Today the cloth is kept in a crystal cylinder held by a precious reliquary of silver made by master craftsman Antonio Caligari. The celebration of the Holy Cloth is commemorated on the fifth Thursday of Lent, at the end of the days of adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, with the participation of the priests and the community of Valvasone. During the celebration of Corpus Christi, the reliquary is carried in procession with the Most Blessed Sacrament.